Hello, I know you're not seeing my face today, but this is how the intro will start. Yes, I haven't been here in 3-4 weeks now, I don't even remember. I'm sorry for not posting for a very long time. Whew, okay, that was long. But today we're doing something very simple, we're making hummus. Roll the intro. Let's cook American food. But it's not American food. Well, it's not American food. Alright, hummus is one of the simplest food to make in the world. It really doesn't take anything much to make it. All we need is a can of chickpeas. And that's basically hummus. We're gonna smash it in the food processor and that's it. But to make it more flavorful, let's add some stuff to it. Right, so we start with the chickpeas. Don't dump the water out, we need it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna preserve the water and use the chickpeas for now. We need about 2 cups of chickpeas for this recipe. Into the stand mixer we go. We will need about 2 cups of chickpeas and into our food processor they go. Alright. I'm gonna just keep the food processor here. To that I'm gonna add about half a cup of tahini. And 1/4 a cup of olive oil. We're using extra virgin olive oil. And then we're gonna add the juice of 1 lime or lemon. You can use a lime or lemon. I'm using a lime because I don't have lemon. I don't believe lemon are authentic to that part of the world. Or they are maybe, I don't know. And then for the magic. And then for the magic we're adding about a half a tablespoon of cumin seed. Grounded cumin seed. Actually make it a tablespoon of cumin seed. Also the ingredients are down below. If I messed you up with just not running the ingredients correctly, go and check them down. And also 1 tablespoon of sea salt or kosher salt. Salt and pepper are added to the taste, so you always can add more salt later. So this is our basic ingredient to make hummus. If you want to flavor it further, you can use other stuff. If you like it garlicky, you can use some garlic powder, which I like my hummus garlicky. If you don't like it with garlic, you just don't have to add it. Then we will start mixing it in a low speed, and as needed we can add the liquid from our chickpeas. We're trying to get it to a puree state, which this is a good consistency. I'm just gonna add a little bit more water and mix it a little bit more because I can still see some chunks of chickpeas. Probably a little bit more liquid. And look at that very smooth, creamy hummus. It's amazing. Keep in mind, this is way cheaper than the store-bought one. I think you pay, well here at least in Mississippi, we pay around $5 for a small container. We made about the same amount for actually less than $2. The whole chickpeas container was like 50 something cents, and then this whole tahini thing is like maybe $5, and I didn't use that much of it. You don't even have to use tahini if you don't need. I didn't really do the math exactly, but I know it's way cheaper than the store-bought one, and it's healthier and it's more flavorful, and you know exactly what's going in it. Now let's go to plating. And then we can add some olive oil on top for garnishing. And we can add this, we call it za'atar in the Middle East. It's a thyme mixer. Sorry, it's a thyme mixtures. And finally, for some flavorful heat, we can add some paprika. And And that's, my friend, how you can make hummus at home. Very simple, very easy, and very fast. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave me a comment down below what do you want me to make next. Thank you. Bye.